Bonjour et bienvenue. In this video, we're going to be talking about 8 common pets in French. Are you ready? On y va. In French, pets are called les animaux de compagnie. Les animaux de compagnie. Très bien. Our first animal is le chien, or a dog. Can you say that? Le chien. One more time. Le chien. Très bien. Our next animal is le chat. Le chat, or the cat. This one's a tricky one. There's a T at the end, but you don't pronounce it. It's le chat. Très bien. Our next animal is le lapin. Le lapin, or a bunny. Let's say it one more time. Le lapin. Très bien. Up next, we have le poisson, or a fish. Le poisson. Le poisson. Très bien. Our next animal is la tortue, or a turtle. Maybe a little less commonly owned pet, but still. La tortue. Très bien. Very good. Up next, we have le hamster, or a hamster. Le hamster. Très bien. Our next animal is le perroquet, or a parrot. Le perroquet. Let's try that one more time. Le perroquet. Très bien. Our next animal is la grenouille. La grenouille, or a frog. La grenouille. Très bien. And that concludes today's video on 8 common household pets in French. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Any animals you want to know the name of, leave a comment for that too. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Merci et au revoir. If you liked today's video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. Also, if you have any questions, leave a comment. Or if there's a video that you would like to see, leave a suggestion down below. Thank you all for your support.